And the whole goal was like, how do we build something that helps the average business out there? How do we take what the Fortune 500s are doing, all these, successful high growth startups are doing? How do we make that available to the mom and pops as well as the medium size, let's say 20 employees, 10 million a year in revenue, which sounds like a big company, but it's really not. When you think about it, it's comfortable enough, it's big enough that you really don't have to hustle. You're not worried about, how am I going to pay for lunch tomorrow? So that's nice. But at the same time, you're in this weird space where it's like you kind of hit a ceiling. How do I grow further? And so we stepped back and we were like, okay, how do we take all the people? And I'm very, very fortunate to have an amazing group of friends who I've known for 10 plus years. And, we've worked together in different capacities. And so we basically pulled this team together and said, you understand compliance, you understand technology, you understand marketing, you understand operations. How do we come together and create this solution for companies to, be able to grow past those ceilings, those invisible ceilings that exist? And the amazing thing that came out of that was we uh the first thing we did was we were like, well, let's take the marketing funnel that we know works really well, which is you go in and you have a landing page and then you have them take a quiz so that you can identify and learn more about your prospect. And then from there, get an email address. And now you've got not only email address, but you know which knives to turn twist when you do an email flow, all those amazing things. How do we take that and leverage AI in that? And so the conversation went from like, how do we create a quiz to how do we create a conversation with AI? And so we thought this like very simple thing that was just like one of many things we wanted to do on our list was going to be like just one thing on the list. It turned into the entire company.